okay? Just before you guys go, okay? So step one, you're just gonna follow the same steps as always, right? Step one is look and find which one's easier. So I've got equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2 looks pretty easy to me. So I'm going to go, okay, going to write x plus 2y is equal to 5. And I don't really want to solve for y in this question because it's got a coefficient on it. Oh, sorry. Thank you for letting me know. I have to... There we go. Can you see that now, Catherine? Okay. I don't necessarily want to solve for y in this one because I've got this coefficient sitting out front. But if I solved for x in this one, by moving the 2y to the other side, that makes my life a little bit easier. Right? So I'm just going to write, okay, well, I'm going to solve for x. X is going to equal 5 minus 2y. All right, and then we're going to put a box around that because we know we're going to use it. All right, so now, step 2, I'm going to rewrite equation 1. It's going to be 4x minus 3y is equal to negative 2. I'm going to take the fact that you just found x is equal to this piece, and I'm going to put it in there. So I'm going to get 4 times that piece, 5 minus 2y. Minus 3y has to equal negative 2. Okay? Then I'm just going to expand. So this time we'll get rid of the brackets, right? Okay, and to do that, I'm going to go, okay, well, it's going to be 20 minus 8y minus 3y has to equal negative 2. Step 4 is going to be collect the like terms, right? To collect the like terms, I'm going to have to get the y's on one side and the numbers on the other. So again, I see the 20, the positive 20 that's sitting here. I'm going to move it to the other side. When I move it to the other side, it's going to become negative. And so I'm just going to rewrite the line. Negative 8y minus 3y has to equal to negative 2. And then I'm going to write it with the 20 moved over. It's going to be minus 20, right? Because I got to subtract 20 from both sides. Just solve. Right? You're just going to basically we've kind of collected the like terms. You're just going to do the math on this now, right? So negative 8 minus 3 is going to be a negative 11y has to equal negative 2 minus 20 is going to be negative 22. Okay? How do you get y by itself? Divide both sides by negative 11. So y is equal to, if we check this, if you don't know, the two negatives are going to cancel, right? But 22 divided by 11 is 2. So y is equal to 2. Okay? Once you've got y equals to 2, don't forget about this box you had up here, because it told you what x was going to be. So you just take it and you plug it in. Well, I'm going to use a different color so you can see. I'm going to take y equals 2 and I'm going to plug it right in where it says where the y is. So x is going to equal 5 minus 2y. X is going to equal 5 minus 2 times 2. 5 minus 4. That's it. You're done. Okay, we'll do a little bit more work with this afternoon. Okay, or yeah, from 12 to 1. Okay, you guys can come back at 12 to 1. And then we can do homework help with the stuff from yesterday. Okay, don't forget, I can show you guys how to do some graphing stuff from yesterday. Okay, so some of the where'd it go? Cell phone problem. Okay, this will be a good one to try if you haven't done this yet, if you can. Okay, or at least fill in the table of values and see if you can come up with a conclusion. Okay, like what we did with the crazy cab lesson yesterday. Remember, we plotted the lines and we made decisions as to which one was better. Okay, under what scenarios. Okay, so then you're going to do that with the cell phone problem, exact same thing. And then hopefully by the end of the day today, we'll be able to make a comparison between you doing this work here and the stuff that we're doing right now, okay, with this, okay? And I'll bridge that gap for you this afternoon. But if you guys have any questions, like, you can work on those 4 homework questions that you see, or 6 homework questions here. The answers are down at the bottom. They're all x, y, like a point. Okay, you can see what x is equal to and what y is equal to down at the bottom. Okay, for each of those questions. Okay, you're just going to do the same thing as what we were doing in the lesson. Okay, so you can follow the same 5 steps. Right, and then there's another, you can scan that QR code too. It'll take you to a video of some more questions, okay? So that's it for now, and then I'll see you guys at 12, okay, if you have any questions. Okay, I'll be on. And we can do some more of these homework questions, or I can take up the cell phone problem too, okay?